Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Officers. Today I am here to discuss the Odisha budget 2024-25, and this budget is very important for the OPC exam and the exams which are conducted in the Odisha. And recently I discussed about the economic survey of Odisha 23-24. So you can watch the Odisha economic survey in our playlist and the Apti Plus YouTube channel. So Odisha budget is very important for the OPC exam, as I just said, and in this video we will discuss about the Odisha's budget in detail. We will discuss about the allocation of the Odisha's budget in the different sections, different areas of the economy. And budget is mostly about the data and facts. Okay, we do not need to understand in depth about the budget, we just need to understand how much amount is being allocated to which department, which ministry, which sector, which scheme, etc. Now moving on to the Odisha budget. So Odisha budget was recently presented on 25th of July 2024, and Honorable Chief Minister Sri Mohan Charan Majhi presented this budget, and this budget is basically a development and investment oriented annual budget for 24-25. Okay, so this is very important, and the total outlay of this budget is 2,65,000 crore. So this is very important, and the budget so far as 2024-25's budget is concerned, it is how much? 15% more than the annual budget for 2023-24. So last year budget, when the Biju Patnaik, Honorable Biju Patnaik was the Chief Minister of Odisha, the budget value was 50% lesser than this year's budget of Odisha. Okay, so this you have to remember the percentage figure, okay, 15%, and you also need to know the absolute value of the budget of this year's Odisha budget. Okay, so since new government in Odisha has come up, so for this reason you need to understand this budget. So, and for this reason this budget is very important, and the qualitative aspects of the budget. Okay, so outlay of 1,55,000 crore for program expenditure represents the 25% increase over the previous year. Okay, so program expenditure में भी increment हुआ है, and you have to know what is the program expenditure. Program expenditure are the part of the budget, the expenditure of the budget which is planned, pre-planned. Okay, that is the government, and you can say that this is a planned expenditure as well. Okay, so government has already divided this amount of budget for the particular scheme or the particular ministry or the particular department. Okay, so you have to know what is the program expenditure and how much is it. This is 1,55,000 crore. Okay, so out of 2,65,000 crore, 1,55,000 crore is for the program expenditure. Okay, and which is again 24% increment for from the previous year. Okay, and program expenditure constitutes more than 58% of the total budget size. Okay, out of 2,65,000 crore, the 1,55,000 crore program budget is again how much? 58% of the total budget. Okay, so this is again important point. Capital outlay, that is, as we all know that the budget is divided into two part. Okay, so budget का दो part रहता है. Firstly, the budget, one part of the budget is revenue budget. We discussed about it, revenue budget. Then there is capital budget. Capital budget. So यहाँ पे capital budget में क्या आता है? Capital expenditure आता है. ठीक है, there is capital expenditure. Then there is capital receipt. ठीक है, so capital receipt है यहाँ पे. And यहाँ पे भी revenue receipt and revenue expenditure है. And revenue receipt क्या होता है? The receipt which the government of India is getting from the receipt from different areas such as the recovery of loan. ठीक है, recovery of the interest that the government has paid loans to different sectors. ठीक है, ये revenue receipt में आता है. Revenue expenditure क्या होता है? The part of the budget which the government is giving for the salaries, pensions, administrative expenditures etc. वो revenue expenditure है जो day to day expenditure में यूज़ किया जाता है. ठीक है, यू हैव टू नो व्हाट इज़ द रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. एंड कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर क्या होता है? द कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर वो होता है जो कैपिटल क्रिएट करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस क्रिएटिंग रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, क्रिएटिंग द रेलवे ब्रिजेस. ठीक है, क्रिएटिंग schools, institutions of higher education. ठीक है, so these are creating the asset in the state. These are contained in the capital budget. ठीक है, that is capital expenditure. Then there is capital receipt. So capital receipt क्या होता है? The receipt that the government of India is getting from for instance, the revenue which is the government is getting from the disinvestment in some company. For instance, Odisha government, if the Odisha government has some interest or some investment in some company, ठीक है, then if the government of Odisha sells the stake in that company, the receipt that the government of Odisha gets from that company is called the revenue receipt, capital receipt. ठीक है, so capital receipt is basically receipts which the government of Odisha gets from mostly from the disinvestment. ठीक है, so this disinvestment से जो बजट आ रहा है ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट के तरफ, that is called the कैपिटल रिसीट. एंड कैपिटल रिसीट में और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट है जो है ग्रांट्स. ठीक है, फॉर इंस्टेंस इफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट गिव्स द ग्रांट, इफ द एक्सटर्नल agencies such as the World Bank, IMF, etc. gives the grants to the state, then that also constitutes the capital receipt. ठीक है, so capital receipt is that. So you have to know the revenue, what is revenue receipt and capital receipt. So we were discussing about the capital outlay, that is the capital expenditure कितना percent है out of the total budget of Odisha. And for the year 2024-25, the capital outlay is 58,195 crore, which is 6.3% of GSDP. That means 6.3% of gross state domestic product of Odisha is being used for the capital outlay, that is for the capital expenditure. ठीक है, so this is very important, which amounts to amount भी याद रखना है. कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर में गवर्नमेंट कितने खर्चा कर रहा है इस बार, सो फार एज ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट इज कंसर्न्ड. ठीक है, एंड द प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर इन ओडिशा टू द टोटल बजट इज हाईएस्ट अमंग ऑल दी मेजर स्टेट्स इन द कंट्री. ठीक है, सो ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं, सो फार एज अदर स्टेट्स आर कंसर्न्ड, the capital expenditure that the Odisha government is making is highest among all the states in Odisha, state in India, and allocation of 33,919 crore for agriculture and allied sector, and is an increase of 36% over the previous sector year. ठीक है, so this is very important. जो इस बार हम जब इकोनॉमिक सर्वे ऑफ ओडिशा पढ़ रहे थे तो वहाँ पे हम लोग डिस्कस किए थे व्हाट इज़ दी percentage of contribution of the agriculture sector in the economy of Odisha, what is the percentage contribution of the services sector, industry sector, etc. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे हम लोग देखे थे कि उड़ीसा में एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर का contribution is one of the highest. ठीक है, so for this reason agriculture sector is an important sector in Odisha. So keeping that in mind, the Odisha government this year has increased the allocation for the agriculture, which is the 36% increase from the previous years. So this is very important point. So 33,919 crore is the total outlay for the agriculture in Odisha this year. ठीक है, so you have to remember this point. Now moving on to next important initiatives. So यहाँ पे बजट में बहुत सारा नया initiative start किया गया है ओडिशा में. You have to know this point, and 500 crore has been allocated towards the corpus fund for SJTA, which is the Jagannath Trust Administration. श्री जगन्नाथ ट्रस्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए कितने फंड किया गया है allocate 500 crore. ठीक है, so to propagate the Jagannath culture, the culture of God Jagannath, to propagate that culture, the 500 crore has been allocated. So you have to remember this point. So this is the first point you have to remember कि SGTA को कितना allocate हुआ है इस बार 500 crore, and 50 crore for the peripheral development of माँ तारिणी टेम्पल. ठीक है, सो इस बार जो उड़ीसा का बजट है, the budget is promoting the culture, the temple cultures in Odisha. ठीक है, so different culture temples in Odisha is being grants in Odisha. ठीक है, so 500 budget crore is the highest amount of grant that any temple in Odisha is getting, any temple administration in Odisha is getting. ठीक है, and 50 crore is for the peripheral development of माँ तारिणी temple. ठीक है, which is located in Ghatagaon, and 10,000 crore allocated for Subhadra Yojana. ठीक है, so Subhadra Yojana is getting 10,000 crore for women empowerment, financial independence and entrepreneurship development. ठीक है, so 10,000 crore is for the Subhadra Yojana. ठीक है, तो एग्जाम में you might be directly asked that what is the allocation for the Subhadra scheme or the Subhadra Yojana of Odisha government for the women empowerment in Odisha in the budget of 2024-25, and your answer should be 10,000 crore. ठीक है, and 5,000 crore for Samruddha Krushak Yojana. ठीक है, for the purchase of paddy at 3,100 per क्विंटल. ठीक है, so पर क्विंटल जो है पैडी का प्रोक्योरमेंट प्राइस है दैट इज 3,100 रुपीज़. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द प्रोक्योरमेंट price of Odisha, and 5,000 crore has been allocated for the Samruddha Krushak Yojana. So this is very important, and एग्जाम में आपको ऐसे पॉइंट याद रखना है कि समृद्ध कृषक योजना, ठीक है, इसमें बजट कितना एलोकेट हुआ है 5,000 करोड़, एंड समृद्ध कृषक योजना के तहत गवर्नमेंट पर क्विंटल कितने खर्चा कर रहा है दैट इज 3,100 per quintal. ठीक है, so you have to remember this point, and rupees 200 crore allocated towards the Corpus Fund for Odia Asmita for the promotion and the propagation of Odia Asmita. ठीक है, so this is very important point, and rupees 156 crore provided for Madhav Singh Hath Kharch Yojana. ठीक है, to address the dropout rates among the tribal students. So India, Odisha, so far as Odisha is concerned, there is huge amount of tribal population in Odisha. ठीक है, we discussed about the proportion of the tribal population in Odisha as well in the economic survey while discussing the economic survey. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे ओडिशा में dropout rate of the tribal people in the schools are very high. To reduce the dropout rates of the Odia students in the schools, rupees how much? Rupees 200 crore has been allocated. ठीक है, rupees 156 crore has been allocated. ठीक है, which is the Madhav Singh Hath Kharch Yojana. So this is very important. Madhav Singh Hath Kharch Yojana is related to what? To reduce the dropout rate of the tribal students in Odisha. And rupees 50 crore allocated for Goda Barisa Mishra Adarsh, ठीक है, प्राथमिका विद्यालय, ठीक है, GMAPB. सो इस स्कूल के लिए 50 करोड़ अलोकेट किया गया. ठीक है, सो दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट अगेन. And 50 crore provided for Deen Dayal Karmachari Niwas in industrial townships. ठीक है, so this is again important. Construction workers के लिए है. And next important is 100 crore allocated under the state support for rooftop solar projects. ठीक है, so under the प्रधानमंत्री सूर्य घर हर घर योजना, rupees 100 crore is being allocated by the Odisha government, and 18 crore allocated for construction of dharmasala cum guest house for attendance of the cancer patient. ठीक है, so this is again important. So these are allocations. ठीक है, you can know about all the allocation. It is not necessary to remember all of it, but you have to remember only the important points. जैसे कि मैंने डिस्कस किया, ये सब पॉइंट्स इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, ये these first points are important. They are also important, but they are not as important as other points. ठीक है, so you can read about them as well. For instance, 500 crore has been allocated for the implementation of centrally sponsored scheme Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. ठीक है, so this is again important. ठीक है, this is not quite important. This is not quite important. ठीक है, so this is important. 500 crore. ठीक है, जन आरोग्य योजना, जहाँ से जेनरिक मेडिसिन मिला जाता है. तो जेनरिक मेडिसिन आर सोल्ड इन दी जन आरोग्य स्टोर्स. ठीक है, सो फॉर दिस स्कीम 500 crore हैज़ बिन अलोकेटेड. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. एंड प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना, दिस इज अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम. ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये तो इंपॉर्टेंट है ही, एंड दिस इज अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट. मातृ वंदना योजना. ठीक है, सो PMMBY स्कीम इज रिलेटेड टू सपोर्ट द मदर्स. ठीक है, टू सपोर्ट द न्यू बॉर्न मदर्स. This scheme is initiated by Government of India, and this is also a centrally sponsored scheme. तो आपको एक पॉइंट याद रखना है, what is the centrally sponsored scheme and what is the center sector scheme. तो गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स का दो पार्ट होता है. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स has been divided into two parts. One is the centrally sponsored scheme, another one is central sector scheme. ठीक है, another one is central sector scheme. तो सेंट्रल सेक्टर स्कीम में क्या होता है कि द गवर्नमेंट provides the fund to states and the states do not have to pay the amount. ठीक है, that means there is no sharing of the revenue between the center and states. Only the union government finances the central sector schemes. ठीक है, and there is centrally sponsored scheme where the government of India and the states share the revenue. ठीक है, so ये जो प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना है, इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम. MG नरेगा विच इज़ महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्ट, ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल्सो एंड सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम वेयर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सेंटर इज 60% एंड 40% इज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ स्टेट्स. ठीक है, एंड देर इज CSS आयुष्मान भारत is again the centrally sponsored scheme. So this is the important schemes that you need to know. And the location, ठीक है, प्रधानमंत्री स्कूल फॉर राइजिंग इन इंडिया. ठीक है, सो PM श्री, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट स्कीम विच वॉज रिसेंटली लॉन्च बाय गवर्नमेंट. इसमें भी गवर्नमेंट ने कितना अलोकेट किया है, उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट ने 25 करोड़ अलोकेट किया गया है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू अदर इम्पॉर्टेंट सेक्टोरल हाईलाइट्स. ठीक है, सो कौन सी सेक्टर में कितना अलोकेट किया गया है, that is important. Agriculture and allied sector is first important priority of the government. ठीक है, and यहाँ पे allocation है 33,919 crore. So this is the allocation for the agriculture and allied sectors. ठीक है, and the 5,000 crore is for the Samruddha Krushak Yojana. ठीक है, so this is an important scheme of the Odisha government, Samruddha Krushak Yojana. 5,000 crore has been allocated for this. And there is CM किसान योजना. ठीक है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में एक स्कीम है PM किसान. ठीक है, अंडर विच 6,000 रुपीज़ ग्रांट इज गिवन टू द फार्मर्स. ठीक है, एंड इन द ओडिशा देर इज अ CM किसान योजना. सिमिलर दिस स्कीम हैज़ बिन मॉडल्ड इन द सिमिलर फैशन ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट स्कीम PM किसान. ठीक है, एंड द अलोकेशन इज 1,935 करोड़. ठीक है, एंड श्री अन्न अभियान 649 करोड़ है. ठीक है, सो दीज आर ऑल इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम्स दैट यू नीड टू नो. रिवॉर्ड प्रोजेक्ट के लिए 191 करोड़ अलोकेट किया गया है. ठीक है, नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी मिशन, एंड दिस मिशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू प्रोवाइड द पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम, टू प्रोवाइड द राइस, व्हीट, ठीक है, एंड अदर सब्सटेंसेस टू द पुअर इन इंडिया. BPL बिलो प्रॉवर्टी लाइन के जो फैमिलीज़ हैं उनको जो फ्री फूड ग्रेन और द फूड ग्रेन एट द चीपर रेट प्रोवाइड करने के लिए नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी मिशन अंडर द नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी एक्ट ऑफ 2013 लाया गया था. सो अंडर नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी एक्ट ऑफ 2013 द राइस, व्हीट, ठीक है, ये सब दिया जाता है 1 रुपया 2 रुपया किलो में. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड अंडर नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी मिशन 189 करोड़ इज़ बीइंग लोकेटेड. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट. नेशनल हॉर्टिकल्चर मिशन के लिए 98 करोड़ है. ठीक है, सो दीज आर ऑल इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. दीज आर नॉट क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट. मातृ फसल प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, दिस इज़ नॉट क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट. मातृ कृषि सिंचाई योजना, कृषि विकास योजना, यहाँ पे भी अलोकेशन इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट है 600 करोड़ अंडर द प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना. ठीक है, सो दिस प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना इज अगेन अ सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम. दिस इज अ स्कीम ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, यूनियन गवर्नमेंट का स्कीम है अंडर विच द इंश्योरेंस इज प्रोवाइडेड फॉर द क्रॉप लॉस. तो क्रॉप लॉस अगर होता है फॉर इंस्टेंस ड्यू टू डिजास्टर, ड्यू टू साइक्लोन्स एट्सेट्रा, देन द फार्मर इज गिवन द इंश्योरेंस. ठीक है, तो under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana 600 crore is being allocated by the Odisha government under this budget. ठीक है, so these are all important points that you need to know. And Gomata is again important point. ठीक है, Gomata which is the goal for management and treatment of animals. ठीक है, ये इसका जो फुल फॉर्म है आपको याद रखना है. गोमाता गोल फॉर मैनेजमेंट एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एनिमल्स, इसके लिए 37 करोड़ है. ठीक है, फॉर द एनिमल वेलफेयर एंड द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एनिमल्स. इरीगेशन एंड फ्लड कंट्रोल एंड वाटर यूज़ एफिशिएंसी के लिए. ठीक है, सो इरीगेशन एंड वाटर यूज़ एफिशिएंसी के लिए कितना है 14,101 करोड़. ठीक है, दैट इज द 14,111 crore has been allocated for the irrigation sector. So this is again important. Irrigation के लिए कितना allocate किया जा रहा है 14,111 crore out of the agriculture budget. ठीक है, so ये एग्रीकल्चर सब हेडिंग में आता है. सो एग्रीकल्चर में कितने अलोकेट किया जा रहा है? 33,919 करोड़. ठीक है, अंडर विच 14,111 crore is for the irrigation. ठीक है, and the 1,125 crore for the second phase of Parvati Giri mega lift irrigation scheme. So this is very important scheme of the Odisha government. In the Odisha there is a lift irrigation project which is the Parvati Giri मेगा लिफ्ट इरीगेशन प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है, सो इसमें कितना खर्चा कर रहा है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ओडिशा? 1125 करोड़. ठीक है, एंड इंडिया में एक लार्जेस्ट लिफ्ट इरीगेशन प्रोजेक्ट है दैट इज लोकेटेड इन तेलंगाना. ठीक है, दैट इज दी पोलावरम प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है, सो पोलावरम प्रोजेक्ट इज लोकेटेड इन ओडिशा in Telangana. So comment in the comment section what is the river under which the Polavaram project is being constructed in Telangana. ठीक है, so this is the important point. The lift irrigation project which is in Odisha is called Parvati Giri mega lift irrigation project, and 400 crore under Mukhyamantri Adi Bandha Tyari Yojana. ठीक है, माती, this is again important. मुख्यमंत्री आदि बंद त्यारी योजना. So this is again an important scheme for which 400 crore is being allocated. So Mukhyamantri Adi Bandha Tyari Yojana, what is it? This scheme is basically to construct the check dams. ठीक है, so check dams, to construct the check dams in the rivers for the irrigation purposes. This scheme is being being run in the Odisha and the allocation is 400 crore. ठीक है, so this is again important. And now moving on to other important sectors. So यहाँ पे निर्मया स्कीम है. निर्मया is important scheme of Odisha so far as health sector is concerned. So this is health sector. health sector में allocation 21,200 crore है. ठीक है, and यहाँ पे 5,450 crore है. It is being provided for the गोपाल बंधु योजना. ठीक है, so गोपाल बंधु जन आरोग्य योजना is very important scheme in Odisha. ठीक है, जैसे कि सेंटर में प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना है. सिमिलरली इन द स्टेट ऑफ ओडिशा देर इज गोपाल बंधु जन आरोग्य योजना, एंड अंडर दिस स्कीम 5,450 crore which is almost 1/4 higher than the 1/4 of the total health budget is being allocated for this scheme. So for this reason you can predict that this scheme is very important for Odisha. ठीक है, and under this गोपाल बंधु जन आरोग्य योजना निर्मया स्कीम इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, सो निर्मया, व्हाट इज़ निर्मया स्कीम? जैसे कि प्रधानमंत्री आयुष्मान भारत योजना में एक स्कीम है विच इज़ दी जन आरोग्य स्टोर्स. ठीक है, प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य स्टोर्स. सो दी अंडर प्रधानमंत्री नेशनल हेल्थ मिशन. ठीक है, विच इज़ द आयुष्मान भारत योजना. देर इज़ जन आरोग्य स्टोर्स, एंड इन द जन आरोग्य स्टोर्स वी गेट द फ्री जेनरिक मेडिसिन्स. ठीक है, सो टू गेट द फ्री जेनरिक मेडिसिन्स वेयर वी गो टू जन आरोग्य स्टोर्स. ठीक है, इन सिमिलर फैशन इन द ओडिशा, if you want to get the free medicines listed in the list of the national essential drug list which is maintained by the union government. ठीक है, to get the medicines under the national essential list of drugs, you visit where the Nirmaya stores. ठीक है, so Nirmaya are the free medicine stores in Odisha, and this is under the Gopal Bandhu Jan Arogya Yojana. ठीक है, and rupees 236 is for Nidan. ठीक है, and 122 crore is for the Sampurna, which is the scheme to reduce the infant mortality rate and the maternal mortality rate. ठीक है, so we discussed about the IMR and MMR. Comment in the comment section what is the current infant mortality rate and the maternal mortality rate of Odisha, in the state of Odisha, vis-a-vis India. What is the infant mortality rate and the maternal mortality in India as for the National Family Health Survey 2024. ठीक है, so that is NFS-5 National Family Health Survey के accordingly what is the IMR and MMR of Odisha and India? Comment in the comment section. ठीक है, and 114 crore is being allocated for Amma Hospital. ठीक है, and these are all important schemes. and Kusi Nirmal 884, Nirmal के लिए 50 crore. ठीक है, and education sector again important sector, allocation is 35,536 crore. 50 crore for Goda Barisa Misra Adarsa Prathamika Vidyalaya, ठीक है, 50 crore is for this Vidyalaya. These type of Vidyalayas are running in Odisha, ठीक है, and others are not quite important. So different schools, different types of schools के लिए कितना allocation किया है, that is being talked about here. Rupees 935 crore for Odia Adarsh Vidyalaya, ठीक है. So जैसे कि the central government is running different type of Nambodaya Vidyalayas, ठीक है. The Odisha government is running the Odia Adarsh Vidyalaya, ठीक है. So for this reason the Odia government is allocating 935 crore, ठीक है. So this is important. PM पोषण स्कीम के लिए कितना करोड़ यूज़ कर रहा है, 997 crore, ठीक है. This is again important, and PM Posan is important scheme related to the nutrition enhancement of the people in India, ठीक है. PM Posan is important scheme of government of India which falls under the Ministry of Women and Child Development, ठीक है. Under PM Posan scheme, the different schemes has been subsumed under the scheme, which are such as the ICDS, ठीक है, and 2015 crore for the sports sector for 2024-25, ठीक है. So for 2024-25 1315 crore is being allocated for the sports and youth, ठीक है. And women and child development and mission शक्ति के लिए कितना खर्चा कर रहा है उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट, दैट इज द 17,948 crore, ठीक है. दैट इज फॉर द वीमेन एंड चाइल्ड सेंट्रिक वेलफेयर स्कीम्स इन ओडिशा. 10,000 crore is provided for Subhadra Yojana for women empowerment, ठीक है. So for Subhadra Yojana for women empowerment 10,000 crore is being allocated. We discussed about it, ठीक है. So this is an important point. And other important, let's see what are the other important allocation for the different sectors in Odisha. Social security and empowerment for the persons with disability, ठीक है. PWD के लिए 4,487 crore खर्चा किया गया है इस बजट में. एंड दिस 4,487 crore is for Madhu Babu pension Yojana for the beneficiaries under social security pension scheme, ठीक है. So this Madhu Babu pension Yojana is very important scheme in Odisha where the people aged above 60 years is given the certain amount of pension, ठीक है. And this scheme is a important social security scheme for the old age people in Odisha. And 30 crore for Vima Voi Vinna Khyama Yojana, ठीक है. So this is very important. And next important is development of SC, STs, OBCs and minorities, ठीक है. For this the budget aims to allocate how much, 36,532 crore, and which is for the TASP component, ठीक है. SC SP component के लिए 26,647 crore है, ठीक है. So that means the out of total budget for the tribal development, ठीक है, which is the tribal sub plan. This is a tribal sub plan. For this 36,652 crore is being allocated for the scheduled caste development, which is the scheduled caste sub plan. How much is being allocated? 26,647, ठीक है. शेड्यूल कास्ट के लिए कितना, 26,647. एंड फॉर द ट्राइबल डेवलपमेंट विच इज़ द ट्राइबल एरिया सब प्लान, हाउ मच इज बीइंग अलोकेटेड? आंसर इज 36,652 crore, ठीक है. दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. And other important is the scheme which is the sector which is the urban development. Urban development के लिए कितना खर्चा कर रहा है गवर्नमेंट? That is 9,603 crore, ठीक है. To transform the urban Odisha. Wage, employment and livelihood and basic services में 3,651 crore, ठीक है. And this is a material component of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act scheme, ठीक है. So for the material component of MG Narega scheme, this amount is being allocated. Just remember that for MG Narega scheme, ठीक है, how much is being allocated? 3,651. And 1,000 crore is for Viksit Gaon, Viksit Odisha roads, ठीक है. So this is again important to develop the rural areas, to develop the roads in the rural areas. This scheme is being started, run by the government of Odisha, and 1,000 crore is being allocated for this scheme. Energy sector के लिए how much is being allocated? 3,300 crore, ठीक है. So this is again important. And मुख्यमंत्री शक्ति विकास योजना के लिए कितना है? 1436 crore. ठीक है, so a huge chunk of the energy budget is going towards this scheme, Mukhyamantri Shakti Vikas Yojana. ठीक है, so this is again important point. Now next important sector is future growth engines, industries and MSPs. So MSMEs are important sector which contributes hugely towards the industry of Odisha. So MSMEs के लिए कितना allocation है? 1555 crore for the industries and MSME sector. So you can see industries has been given less priority in this budget. ठीक है, agriculture has been given more priority. ठीक है, despite industry contributing a huge amount of growth in the economy of Odisha. So we discussed in the economic survey of Odisha the percentage contribution of the industry in Odia, the economy of Odisha is very high. ठीक है, and for Odisha for this year the allocation is around 1500 crore. ठीक है, forest environment climate change इसके लिए 1168 crore है. ठीक है, and मुख्यमंत्री केंदु पात्रा तोलाई योजना. ठीक है, so this is again an scheme to develop the Kendu leaves. ठीक है, which is the forest product, and they are basically marketed by the tribal people, and the fund is 100 crore. ठीक है, and again another scheme is tourism development के लिए कितना है? 800 crore. ठीक है, tourism sector के लिए. disaster management के लिए 3900 crore, which includes 2476 crore for the state disaster mitigation and 1424 crore under national disaster response and mitigation fund. ठीक है, so जो disaster management है, disaster management जो fund है उसका दो sector है, एक state fund है, एक one is the central fund. ठीक है, so national disaster response and mitigation fund है which is contributed by the central government. Central government कितना contribute कर रहा है? 1424 crore, and the union the state government is contributing 2476 crore. ठीक है, so total budget for the disaster management in Odisha becomes 3900 crore. ठीक है, so this is again important. And internal security and administration of justice. So Odisha में internal security के लिए कितना खर्चा किया जा रहा है? 8994 crore. ठीक है, एंड ओडिया लैंग्वेज एंड कल्चर हेरिटेज डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी कुछ पोर्शन ऑफ द बजट इज बीइंग अलोकेटेड, एंड दी 420 crore is being provided for promotion of Odia language, culture and heritage. How much? 420 crore. 200 crore for the corpus fund for the Odia Asmita. ठीक है, we discussed about it. And 72 crore for Mukhyamantri कलाकार सहायता योजना. ठीक है, to support the kalakars, to support the artists in Odisha. 72 crore is being allocated. ठीक है, and MCQs देखते हैं, कुछ important MCQs है. PM Janman is associated with which of the following community groups? ठीक है, PM Janman scheme, answer is C, PBTGs. So particularly vulnerable tribal groups are in huge number in Odisha, and India there are 75 PBTGs. ठीक है, 75 PBTGs, and PBTGs are extremely backward tribal people. ठीक है, they are the scheduled tribe people, but they are categorized as extremely backward. ठीक है, and there are 75 PBTGs, and there are PBTGs in Odisha as well. Comment in the comment section what are the few names of the PBTGs in Odisha. ठीक है, and PM Janman is an scheme related to PBTGs. ठीक है, to provide housing, clean drinking water, improved access to education, etc. Odisha under the Odia budget 2024-25, 199 crore is provided for the reward project. ठीक है, assisted by तो reward project है एक important project, and this question asks that which organization supports the reward scheme. ठीक है, so reward project is basically awarded by the World Bank. ठीक है, World Bank supports this reward project, and this is a watershed development program. ठीक है, and this will be implemented from 2021 to 26. You have to remember. So Odisha में ये support दे रहा है, and how much the support amount? 199 crore. कौन दे रहा है support? World Bank दे रहा है. The period is from 2021 to 26. ठीक है, so you have to remember this point. And third important question is under the Odisha budget, 1168 crore is to be spent under Campa fund. ठीक है, so this is compensatory afforestation program. ठीक है, so compensatory afforestation program to plant more trees in Odisha. ठीक है, so Campa fund is an important fund of the union government. ठीक है, so इतने बजट यहाँ पे अलोकेट किया गया है इसके लिए. ठीक है, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज द फंड इज एसोसिएटेड विद व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. सो इट इज इन द, इफ यू नो द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ दिस you can easily answer this question. Campa, which is the compensatory afforestation scheme. That means if a company takes away some forest to build a project there, ठीक है, let's say I am starting a project in Odisha, and to construct that project, if I cleared some forest, then equivalent amount of that forest is to be created in other place. ठीक है, that means compensatory afforestation program. If I cleared 100 forest, then I have to plant around 200 forest in other place. That is compensatory afforestation. ठीक है, so for this scheme 1168 crore is being allocated by the Odisha government. ठीक है, and Jasoda, a new scheme announced under the Odisha budget 2024-25 is associated with which of the following scheme. ठीक है, ये बजट में एक important scheme announce किया गया है which is Jasoda scheme, and it is related to what? Orphaned children. ठीक है, so orphaned children के लिए एक scheme है. ठीक है, just remember this, and financial assistance दिया जाएगा orphaned children के लिए. And next important scheme is, and the last question is, Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana has been renamed as. ठीक है, so in this budget an scheme has been renamed, and what is the Biju Swasthya Kalyan scheme has been renamed as. ठीक है, Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana has been renamed as Gopal Bandhu Jana Arogya Yojana. ठीक है, just remember this, Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana has been renamed as Gopal Bandhu Jana Arogya Yojana. ठीक है, just remember that. ठीक है, so these were all important facts about the Odisha budget 2024-25, and I'll be coming with some important videos like this in the upcoming days. So having said that, I'm concluding today's session. If you like this video, like and share this video. If you have any doubts, you can share your comments in the share your thoughts and comments in the comment section. ठीक है, so having said that, I'm concluding today's session. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.